Executive Governor of Imo State on this protocol so that we don't make any mistake. Because na ali Roche, the mayor woman and I did because ever won't be party and ever won't be chairman of the various in any order of preference. I can start with NNAMDIKANU at the extreme. I come to thank you very much. Also, my brother who go Abala. Thank you. The representative of the chairman of ABC.
APC. 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 Anywhere you go, you go, Maman. Maman. Politics, I like way. Governor. People, I the force, I will agree. Come back. The same that I get, you have last night. I'm going to go because the president gave up. I gave you my information in newspaper, radio, and TV. So people come back and follow the way. I have just greeted everybody. I want to greet the governor specially. You are the first governor to send the idea to me that by the powers and benevolence that you have, you will try and gather the entire Southeast here in Imo State for me to address. And I want all of us here to thank him for me. If you have not done anything, you have reduced my cost. He's paying for transport, he's paying for accommodation and welfare. There is no other way to do anything but to thank him. He has done that to show me that he's giving me support. So I thank you. How more gone down and so whatever he does for me as an elder. The other thing to say to you, and I want this to be on record, no presidential aspirant will win without the government. I hope you know that. So we need him. They change the mic. Can you hear me? So I think I should also use it. No governor, no minister, no presidential aspirant will win the primaries and the general election without the support of the So we're not taking your support for granted. This is introduction. We will come again to see you, to plead with you, to plead with the party in the whole of Southeast, to plead with the chairman, to plead with the national officers and the zonal officers to support us. You will ask, why should they support us? How do I look? Just look at me and describe. Who can describe how I look? How come a young man? Exactly. You can approach me. There is no star in the Exactly. You can come to me and I can talk to you. I can get angry with you. You can also, if you get angry with our leader, they will say you are very well, you are not disciplined. You are not public trained, you know. You can't talk to him carelessly because of his age, can you? You can talk to me carelessly. Exactly. Now, so I constitute the bridge between the old and the what? Young. So when you're voting, and I warn you, because some of us will be carried away, by those who pay money. The moment you vote, you have voted. So if you win, the rest will be regret. You know that? The next reason why you need to vote for me is a very controversial issue in the Southeast. The Southeast controversial issue is that we are currently constructing the rail from Port Harcourt to Maiduguri. And that rail, out of my own volition, I brought it to Wike. Out of my own volition, nobody called me. How is that made to Wike? I took this rail to Uzodimma, where we have an industrial park. And I told the people, look, from here to Wike is not too far. Can you tell me how many kilometers from here to Wike? They say 45 kilometers. I say extend it to Wike. We have started the construction of this way. I am assuring you that before Christmas we will get Uma here or you will see. And I say it's controversial because the Igbos, all of us, our people, have confronted me. Why didn't you do standard gauge? All the gossip everywhere, every but don't forget, where does charity begin from? But I got to say, not my home. Who be my home? So charity must begin at home. But exactly. In fact, my wife says that if he doesn't get to work, he should be busted. Onisha is as important as Nnewi, and I will tell you, Onisha is not a problem. The problem is Nnewi, and I'm struggling to get it to Nnewi, not because it's a different place. It is one of the growing industrial centers in Nigeria. The earlier we provide it with logistics, the better for all of us, because it will create employment. But let's look at it. We are working on the document which we will take to cabinet to extend it to Oka and Abakaliki. And we have argued why narrow gauge. The reason for narrow gauge is simple. By the time we finished costing the standard gauge, it was $14 billion. If I tell you that we can get $14 billion before we leave, I will lie. So what did I do? We finished costing the standard gauge. We got the approval, we have kept it with the Minister of Transport, so that when the new minister comes, we can continue. But instead of leaving you without anything, I asked for the reconstruction of the narrow gauge, pending when we get money to do the standard gauge. But I know Nigeria, you may come out tomorrow and they say they will not do it. They will not, well, if you finish the narrow gauge, the government may come and say you will not do it again. That's why I am extending to Wike, and I'm extending to Abakaliki, and I'm extending to Oka, so that if anything happens, at least we have something. There's a saying in the Wike, if you miss the animal, don't miss the tail. That's the reason. And if you know me very well, I'm not God, but life is not what I do easily. So be rest assured that none of those things will happen. Finally, I may be the youngest, I may be one of the youngest, but I'm the most experienced. What you're facing here now, I faced it in Port Harcourt. Remember, as governor of Rivers State, what you're currently facing here, I faced in Port Harcourt. And I dealt with it, and I overcame it. Be rest assured that if we are given this power, we will ensure that we will overcome this crisis by God's grace. I am a Nigerian candidate. I'm not a sectional candidate. I'm not a Yoruba candidate. I'm not an Igbo candidate. I'm not an Hausa candidate. I'm not an Igbo candidate. I'm a Nigerian candidate. And I'll give you a quick example so we can leave here because I have to see the chief. The first example is George is Igbo, Owashi. Right? In my recommendation for appointment, I recommended George Moaro to head Niwa. That's my name. In my recommendation for appointment, I recommended Tulio Fordele. Right? I recommended Mamora, Southwest. I recommended Hadiza. Northwest. I recommended Yakubu, minority. How else would I show that I'm the Nigerian candidate? I could have just given it to South all good. And that's my recommendation. The president will go with it. That's what the law says. But when I was doing this recommendation, I'm not lying to you. I did not know that I would run for the president. I just felt there was need for balance because we are Nigerian. And if you see my team, it's made up of nearly every soul. That's how we do. Give me this opportunity and you will see the difference. Just give me this opportunity. Trust me. One thing everybody knows me for is I don't lie. I'm not God, but I don't lie easily. I try to obey God by trying to keep away from lies. So be rest assured that once you give me this opportunity, you will see me in my honest gap. And I will be sincere to you and to everybody. And we will do our best that the Igbos will be protected, the Yorubas will be protected, the Hausa Fulani will be protected, the Guleman will be protected, the Kalabari, the Kalabama, everybody will be protected. It will be a government for everybody. Everybody. Finally, let me apologize to you for keeping you engaged in English. Because I did apologize in Igbo, but I want the press to hear that I'm apologizing to you. There is no party without you. The reason why we are running around here is to get your votes. There are differences between those of us who are politicians and those who are not. Those of us who are politicians, if you vote for us, you will see us after. Those who are not will lost the office. Me, you will see me. I like people. I like to interact with people. I like to hear. If you look at when I govern the River State, I have town hall meetings every month to hear the complaint, to hear the criticism against me, and I change things according to what the people want. If you give me this opportunity, it will happen the same if I become the president. You will see me, you will tell me what you want, I will tell you whether it is possible or not, and we will do it together. I wish you God's blessings. Thank you very much.
It's our profound gratitude and appreciation to the Senate level that you have done well for APC Imo and APC Southeast. From the eulogies that have trailed from all the chairmen that have spoken, the testimony is clear that you are the Governor General of the Southeast APC. Your Excellency, without any equivocation, the position you are today is divine. And God brought you at this time to console the Southeast APC with the person of your kind. And with the fatherly love and care you have given to APC Southeast, that is why we are all speaking in one voice and saying that the good Lord will continue to bless you, will continue to give you success in everything you do, will continue to give you progress in everything you do, and will continue to guide and protect you for us. And by the special grace of God in 2023, all the winnings we're going to do in the Southeast shall be blessed by God in Jesus' name. And for our guests who came to see us today, Right Honorable Rotimi Amaechi, the Lion of Uzodimma. Excellency, for my governor to do this for you today, that you have equally said with your own mouth, means that my governor holds you to high esteem. Never worry yourself. Hope will show us the way, and the way we shall follow. Thank you very much.
Today is not a day for long speeches. We have stayed here since morning, waiting for one of our own, but for the delay in his flight connections, they were not able to come on time. However, that is opportunity for another day. He will come again by the grace of God, maybe as an aspirant or as a candidate.
As a candidate. As a candidate.
But one strong message I want to give is that there is a new spirit in the Southeast for our great party.
Yes, sir.
We have done all the necessary political engineering to rejuvenate our party into what it is today. APC in Southeast is united. APC in Southeast is one. We have 2 governors of APC in Southeast. You must have also heard that our second governor has also expressed interest to be president. But this is a contest between a brother and a brother. So when we enter the bedroom, we will resolve it. We are determined to win. The message we are giving to Nigerians, both members of our party and both those who are not in our party, is that the most important thing for our great party APC is winnability. We want to win. Why? Because we are already doing well, and the party has been known for winning. So we cannot afford not to win. Today, APC Southeast will continue to show Nigerians that we are united. The governor of Ebonyi would have been here because he's expecting the president in a few days' time for a state visit. He is not able to come. However, all the delegates from Ebonyi are here. Having said that, we don't have any problem with our brother who is contesting election. We believe in the unity and the leadership of our party. And God knows that all the indications around are pointing that we will win. So our dear President Muhammad Buhari, who is the leader of the party, will not disappoint in the Igbo. He will not disappoint in the Igbo. He will not disappoint Southeast. He will not disappoint South. He will not disappoint Southwest if there are any Igbo there. So we are confident that we are on the right track. We would have taken much time to allow speakers to speak, more speakers to speak. But because it's already late, and like you know, our airport is not currently good for night flights, takeoff and landing. We will allow our brother to go back so that he will be able to fly out. But when we meet again, we will enter into the other room, and then we will talk well. So may God lead you people safely back to where you come to your destination.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.